how to enable or disable Find My Device for device admin apps access on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on More Security Settings. Then scroll down and in here tap on Device Admin Apps. Now go down and tap on Find My Device. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off. So here, tap on Deactivate, or you can tap on it to switch it on, then tap on Activate. So once it is activated, it will have the ability to erase all data, change the lock screen, lock the screen, disable some screen locks features. So tap on the Activate to allow access to device admin apps. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.